Hello everyone, this is Ashish Sani from Innovate Yourself. Welcome back to my channel. So, I am back with my new videos on my channel in which I will show you how to integrate your Rasa chatbot with your Facebook Messenger. Facebook Messenger? Really? Yes, exactly. You have listened very correctly that you are going to learn how to integrate your Facebook Messenger with your Rasa chatbot that you have built on your system, right? So this is what exactly we are going to learn. Now let me give you a short recap for all the things that we will be covering in today's session as well as in my upcoming sessions. So let's have a short recap for that. So here is a short recap for all the things that we will be covering. So the first one is we will learn how to integrate your Facebook Messenger with your Rasa chatbot. Then we will learn how to fetch the live updates of your coronavirus cases. So we will simply count the number of cases for that, right? And after that we will also build a chatbot that can take your self-test for coronavirus, right? So if in case you are having a doubt that you are suffering from corona or not, so in that case you can take a short self-test using this coronavirus test, right? So this is what exactly you are going to do, and after that we will also build a chatbot that will support this self-test, right? So this is what exactly we are going to learn. Now let's go ahead and let's see what we are going to learn today, right? So firstly, you can see there are the points that I have noted down. So in today's session I will show you how to build your Innovate Yourself Corona Update chatbot, which we will be making in today's session, right? So let's start with that, and accordingly we will move to the next steps, right? So let's go back. So here you can see I have already built a chatbot. Now let me explain you what exactly I'm going to do here, right? So here the thing is, like when I will build a chatbot, and after that when I will run that chatbot, I am going to interact with it, and when I will say, like, say hi, so with respect to that your chatbot will ask you like how may I assist you or whatever it is, and accordingly with the next question that you will put on to your Rasa chatbot is like, there are two questions. The first one is you want to ask your chatbot like what is the current number of coronavirus cases in your country, right? So this is what exactly I'm going to do. For now, in my case, I'm going to check it for India, right? So this is what exactly I'm going to do. Similarly, the second thing is like I will ask the chatbot that I want to make a self-test, I want to check myself for the coronavirus. So these are the two features that I'm going to add to my chatbot, and this is what exactly we are going to learn in this case, right? So for the first case, which is to check the live update, I will simply write a text for my chatbot that I want to know the live status of the coronavirus cases, right? So this is what exactly I'm going to do, and at this place what will happen is at the backend I'm going to call an API, or let's say I'm going to use the web scraping concept, from where I'm going to fetch the data from a particular website, and accordingly I will be displaying it into your Rasa chatbot, right? So when I will ask the chatbot, your chatbot will reply with that particular numbers, and with respect to that it will tell you like this is the number of coronavirus cases for today. Similarly, these are the number of recovered cases, these are the number of cases that has been deceded, right? So this is what exactly I'm going to show. And the second part is in which I will ask the chatbot like I want to have a self-test, right? So in that self-test I will simply ask like I want to have a self-test, and your chatbot will put on some questions for you, and that questions will be in the form of the buttons, right? Or let's say that will be in the form of a payloads, right? So similarly you are having 2-3 options, and you are going to select any one of it, and with respect to that your chatbot is going to tell you like whether you are suffering from coronavirus or not. If not, it will tell you like you are very secure, and it will tell you that your chances of getting infected to coronavirus is very less, or whatever it is, right? So this is what exactly we are going to do, right? Now let's start and let's understand what we have to do in this case, because I have already made the board for you, right? So this is the simple thing in which I have already added the configuration file, and let's start from the NLU part. So in the NLU part, here you can see I have added so many intents. One is greet, one is goodbye, one is fever, cough, shortness of breath, interacted, examined, diabetes, or whatever it is. So these are the different number of things that I can see over here, right? And accordingly I have added all the intent names inside my domain file, right? Here you can see I have added all the intent names over here, right? So this is what exactly I'm going to do. Got it? So with respect to these intent values, whatever my user will say, it will automatically pick that, and with respect to that, whatever will be the story, it will call according to that, right? So this is my story which I am going to call over here, right? So the first one is hi. With respect to that, it will tell you hi, utter great or something, right? So this is what exactly I am going to do right now. Got it? So this is what I am doing, and similarly I have added all the questions for that, right? And here you can see I'm using this button payload, so that is the reason it will tell you like this payload, and in the output when the bot will reply, you will not get any text value. Instead it will ask you, it will give you some options which you can select, right? So whatever option you will select, it will reply you according to that, right? So these are the intent values for that, and with respect to that I have given a title. So when you will click on that particular button, this message will be displayed instead of displaying that intent value, right? So this is what exactly I'm going to do here, right? So this is the complete part which I have done, right? So with respect to this, my simple bot will be ready, but other than that, what I have to do, like, let me show you the story. So in this case, like here you can see, when I will click on this, let's say when I will say like I want to check the number of cases of coronavirus in India, so in that case what it will do, it will not directly call this thing, or let's say it will not directly give you some output. Instead it will call this particular action. So in that particular action, what I'm doing, I am simply calling a particular API which I am calling from here, right? So this is what exactly I'm going to do, but don't worry, I will explain you like what exactly is happening in this, right? But for now, just understand like what I'm doing. I'm simply using the web scraping, right? And similarly here you can see I have passed the values, whatever it is, right? And that value is being called through this, right? So this is utter cases. So this is how exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you what are the number of cases that are available, that are in India, right? So this is what exactly I'm doing over here, right? Now let's do one thing. Let's just train this model and just check it like whether it is working or not, right? So that we can proceed to the next step. So just run this. Okay, so it is trained and it has run the Rasa shell for you in the debug mode, right? Now let's go according to the story, and for now I am just ignoring this part because I am not checking for this. So I am simply checking for my corona test which I have made for this right now, right? Now just say hi. When you will say hi, it's like hello, how may I assist you? So with respect to that, what I want to do, I want to say I want to test for corona, right? So just see what I have written in for this, right? So just check this one, right? So let's say I want to take a corona test, so just check for it. Now here you can see it is asking you, let's say it is giving you some options to select, right? So fever, cough, shortness of breath, or whatever it is. With respect to the symptoms, it will tell you like what you have to do. Like I'm not suffering from anything, so I will simply select none of these. So with respect to that, it is going to the next question. So let's say none of these. Have you traveled anywhere internationally in last 14 days? No, I haven't. So accordingly it will tell you like which of the following apply for you. I have recently interacted or lived with someone who has tested positive for coronavirus. So no. Similarly, I am a health worker and I examined a coronavirus confirmed case without protective gear. No, this doesn't apply for me. So I will select none of these, right? So similarly here it is saying your infection risk is low. We recommend that you stay at home to avoid any chance of exposure to the coronavirus, and retake the self-assessment test if you deploy symptoms or come in contact with the coronavirus confirmed case, right? So this is what exactly we are doing. Now when I will press this, so this will say thank you, stay home and stay safe. So this is what exactly I am going to do, and this is what my chatbot is doing right now, right? So this is the first step which I have done. So I have made the Rasa chatbot, which is based on your self-test which I have made for coronavirus, right? So this is what exactly I have done. Now my next step is to where it is, go to stories. Now my next step is to perform this action, because in this case what I have to do is I have to use this web scraping, and with respect to that web scraping I want to fetch the data. I want to fetch the live updates of the coronavirus cases, right? So this is what exactly I'm going to do, and now that we will see in my next part, right? So till then I hope everything is very clear to you, and rest of the things we will cover in the next session. Till then, bye bye and happy learning.